How to make heritage AI filter on TikTok. Make your photos move. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your photos or art move with heritage AI. So let's get into it. So first of all, what you guys need to do is you will actually get out of your TikTok and you will have to go to your Google. Now you can do this on your laptop or PC as well, or on your mobile phone, Android or iOS. So you have to actually search for Heritage AI and click on the first link, which is the myheritage.com. So you can see it allows us to animate our photos that we have. So we kind of like use this for not bring back dead people, but make them look like they are moving. So how to do it? It's actually really fun and it is also trending on TikTok. So what you guys need to do is once you get to the website here, you just need to upload your photo. Animate the faces in your family photos with amazing technology. So you have to upload a family photo here. I'm going to quickly do that. So I have selected a family photo here and the photo will be animated. And here we have our animated photo. Now you have to keep in mind that because this photo had like 4 people in it, I'm going to go ahead and select the queen and we're going to make her move again. So you have to select the family member you actually want to animate. So I'm going to select this person right here in the family photo and it will animate this character and the rest of the characters will stay the same. And you can see how realistic this one looks and you can see the queen is moving now. This is how we actually use Heritage AI to make TikToks, and this is how you can go ahead and also use AI Heritage filter. Now you can save this video, just click on download video, upload another photo, or you can also share it on your Facebook, Twitter, and more. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.